CapCut Pro features are free. Yes, you heard me. They are free. I know it sounds strange to you. I know you want to edit your videos like a pro without breaking the bank, but you don't know how to get started. You don't want to pay for subscription. You can't afford subscription. Yes, I'm going to reveal to you the secret on how you can use the paid features all for free. Yes, you are going to use them for free. Ranges from any aspect, from your auto caption, background remover, voice enhance. You are going to use them for free without paying any time. All you just have to do is just to watch this video to the end, as I'll be revealing the secret to you. Without further ado, let's dive into action. I'm on my CapCut now. So the first thing I'm going to do to select new project. So now listen to me. Listen to me. This is how we're going to do it. This is I want to use image as as my background, as main background. So I'm going to show you how to use the first features for free. Now, I can expand the image. First of all, let me delete the ending part. I can expand the video to any length I want it to be. You understand? So now, having done that, I want to select another image. I can equally use this plus or add as overlay. Let's say I want to use this plus. And I'll select the video. Let me make use of my intro video. Then now, so I can click this and use it as an overlay. Let me click it and use it as overlay. So you see, this is overlay. Now it's automatically behind the first background, and you can use it another way around. You can just, instead of doing that, you can just select on the overlay. Now let's say we are out. Let me search for overlay, add overlay, so you can make use of it. They are all the same. So now you can see I want to remove the background of this video. I want to remove the background. I'm going to click on it, then search BG, remove BG. Can you see this is a pro version? Auto remover. So it's applying. As you can see, it's applying. So now you can see it. Then I want to perform something. Let me quickly click on this before the removal is done. Let me click on this image. I'm going to click on this image. Now I'll click on effects. So I want to blur the image, the background. Let's say video effects. So this is my video effects. So I'm going to click on search. I'll click on search blur. So let me tap the blur. So it's going to bring out the blur. Although you might want to leave the BG like this, but for me, I like making the blur. Let me adjust the blur. Let me adjust the blur. Can you see it? So it's a little bit. So that is the first aspect I want to make use of. Now let's say I want to make, you can see it has already brought out the pro version. Now let's say I want to make use of the what's it called, the text auto caption. And auto captions now, they are not free. Now auto captions, you can see it's pro version. So I'm going to select whichever one I want to use. So let me make use of this. Then generate. Excuse me, now I want to change the settings. Okay, it's in English language. Yes. So let's get it done. Let's get it done. So it's the 99. Can you see? Now, there are some things you might want to edit it. You understand the text? You might want to edit the text, edit the caption, CapCut, features. Let me say CapCut. You might want to edit it if it is not tally. CapCut Pro features. Yes, it's a pro features. Pro features are free. Yes. So as you can see, So that is another features. You understand? That is another features. If I'm to, let's say for instance now, there's another thing I want to do. Let's say I would like to break this. I want to split this, then, and I want to add transition to it. No, excuse me. Okay, let me split the main background, then add transition to it. So let's wait for the transition. Let's wait for the transition to pop up. There are some transitions that are free, there are some more that are paid. You understand? So depending on whichever one you want, so I think majority of these are free. They are all free. So I wanted to show us, if you want to use anything that are pro, you need to use them before I show us the trick I'm going to show at the end. So if there is anything you still want to do, you still want to make use of any other thing, let's say I want to use voice enhance. Now the voice enhance, what I did was, let me undo undo the split. So let me undo them. So now let's say this, I want to enhance the voice. If you have background voice, you understand, and you want to enhance it, you want to remove them, just click on this voice enhance. So compared to the previous one, you see them now. You see them now. So let's wait for it to get done. So anything you want to use, any features that are pro you want to use, I will advise you to do them once, and once you are done, we'll go to the next aspect now. So I'm actually done with the pro features I wanted to do now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to show us on how to boycott the aspect of paid version. So let's wait for the voice to get done. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. 79. So I don't want to pause anything. I want each and every one of us to see it. Yes, I want each and every one of us to see it and see how it's been done. Yes, let's wait for it. I think it will be done once now. 90. I thought as much. So now, you can see it now. The voice are so clean, neat, without any so I'm cleaning it up. Already. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to show us on how to boycott this aspect. So this is how to use to show us on how to use it without paying any dime. Because you see now, if I should export now let's say I want to export now. You see export. You see it. These are the three features that I use that are the paid one. So now, please, if you want to do this thing, please and please make sure you offer your all these your WhatsApp, your notification, unlike my own. You off the notification before you start this aspect, although it won't disturb you. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to let me get it done back. You see what I clicked? I click here to a full to full ratio. Then I will now start. I'll start the screen recording of whatever I've done, like this. So you start the screen record. Let's say for instance I want to start the screen record of this now. Once I'm done with the screen recording like this, I'm done already. I'm going to go back. I'll go back. Then I'll click on new project. You see new project. Then I'm going to select the video. So this is a video. Then add. So the first thing I need to do is to change the ratio to 16:19, the one I'm using already. So now let's play this video. So now I'll trim off where, I'll trim off where I don't need the sound. I'll trim it off. So delete. Then the next thing I'm going to do is click on the clip. As you can see it now. So Capcut Pro features are free. Yes, you heard me. They are free. I know it sounds straight to you. I know you want to edit your videos like a pro without breaking the bank, but you don't know how to get started. Can you see it now? So now with this, you don't have to pay for any dime. You don't have to pay for any dime now. As you can see, the sound might look somehow to you. I'm using AirPods, so that's the reason why. Without using AirPods, your voice will be straightforward, clear, clean, just like the one I show you guys. So now, if I'm to export it now, I don't have to pay any dime, unlike before. You understand? So that is how you can use all the paid features for free, without disturbing yourself, stressing yourself. You understand? So that is that. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to. So if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friend. And you can use the comment section to tell me the kind of video editing aspect you want me to create for you. You understand? So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.